Hello guys, I'm back again with another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer Ethereum into UNI. Uniswap has a token which called UNI, and now you can trade with it. So how can you start doing it? Easy. All you can do is join the CoinMarketCap website and then head up to the search bar, write UNI, and click on the first token that shows up. You come here at the contract section here and you copy it by clicking on this icon, copy address. When it shows up that it's copied, you are done with this. Now you go to Uniswap website and then you click on Launch App. Then you connect your wallet. There's multiple choices. You can connect your MetaMask, your wallet, connect your Coinbase wallet, your Formatic, or Portis. For our case, we are going to use MetaMask. You can find another tutorial for how to use MetaMask and how to download it or how to create an account in it. Basically, you can just find it in our channel. But now we'll keep going on our tutorial. Okay, we head up to our MetaMask. We connect it after we connect it to the website. We head and open it, and then we make sure that we are on Ethereum main network. After that, we go to the import tokens, the custom tokens, and pass the others that we had from the CoinMarketCap website. All right, and then import tokens, custom tokens, and the other token. You see the other places filled up automatically. So we add token, you import token, and here you go. You can see it now on your wallet. Now you come here and select a wallet, a token. You press the others again, import, and here it is. Now you can swap between Ethereum into Uniswap token, or the reverse. You can transfer Uniswap into Ethereum. That was it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and comment and subscribe for more videos. See you.